Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Happiness, and welcome back to yet another episode of Life with Happiness. And this is Vlogmas 4. So and this is a maintenance vlog. Okay, so at the end of this vlog I'm gonna be all dolled up and beautiful. Okay, yes. So today is a Friday and I'm going to do my nails and my toenails, and I think I'm gonna pass by the pharmacy to get my ears pierced. And guys, it's raining and I have to walk, but it's fine. So right now the time is around 2:11 and my appointment is at 1.
Go on with it.
Because I live in the bundos. Yeah.
So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on wood. But we not rise on boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings all for my right hand. Also those many friends that they club to me know one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them. Only sit the road and we go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits I sing. Yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon. Get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just saw them. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. Need it about the past through your soul. Yeah, man, in a live man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earning, and just to the plus. Yeah, my gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I do it for the friends that they club to me road one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them. Only sit the road and we go on with it, Just what blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the top. Me, I'm in the light. You know, some person ignited. Got the music, get me excited. I'm coming like a person.
Hey besties, good morning in the morning, top of the morning. So today is a Saturday and we finishing my maintenance. Okay, first things first. So yesterday I went to the pharmacy and I did my wearing my earrings. This is the thing that I used. Yeah, so I did my earrings. They're so cute and I look so different. Okay, I look so different, like I look like an innocent child. Yeah, and also I did my nails. So here are my nails. I'm gonna show you guys properly. I'm gonna insert a picture. And so now I wanna do an eyebrow tint. I also wanna do my lashes, and then I'm gonna install my hair. Okay, yep, and you guys are gonna do all of that with me. Okay, and this is like my hair. This is like a 22-inch jerry curl, because I sold that one that I unboxed, that 24-inch from Sinosho Hair, and I got this one. I actually got a 24-inch, but then I received a 22-inch. But yeah, that's a story for another day. So yeah, and this is almost everything that I'm gonna use, and those are like things for my lashes and eyebrow tint. Okay, so yeah, let's do this. So we're gonna start with my eyebrow, and then I'm gonna
Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, and just to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast with the friends that they club to me load one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them. Only sit the road and we go on with the road. Toast. Toast. But we not rise on board. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks that we
I'm gonna first mix these two things, the peroxide and the reflectocell. Okay, Okay, so I've applied the I've applied the tints, eyebrow tints. Okay, so now it's turning into black. It was like blue, so we're gonna trust the process. I'm gonna wipe a bit and then leave the other one so that I can be able to do my hair properly. Okay, so I just wiped off the concealer, and now I want us to install my hair, because yeah, I'm not gonna wait for this to be right. Okay, but then the longer the tint sits on my eyebrows, the better the result. So in the meantime, we are gonna install my hair. Okay, yep. So I just used gel to push back my hair so that they do not distract me, and then I'm gonna wear a wig cap. And yes, so today I'm gonna use this glue, this spray. I'm gonna do like 3 layers of this spray. Yeah, but first things first, I wanna tint my cap. Okay, I don't have the lace tint mousse or lace tint spray. I use my powder, this shade or this one. Remember, I once plugged you guys with this. Okay, I hate looking for something that's right in my face. Okay, like I hate it so much. You see, like it does make a difference. It does make a difference. I prefer this, using this instead of the thingy of the foundation. So guys, I got hit. Okay, so I just used this as an alternative because I can't find my bandage. But yeah, we're just gonna continue. So I've applied like 2 layers and it's now dry, meaning I have to add like 2 more layers. Oh my god, guys, where's the glue? This mirror, it has to go. It has to go. I have to buy a new mirror because why? Yo, in Limazile, like. Guys. I want it to stick because even on Monday it has to be, the install has to be okay. So yep. So now I'm just gonna wipe a bit.
It's supposed to be dark. But I'm confident and in the task with the plus. Gratitude is a must. See, blessings fall on my right hand. Cause I thought we different, but I can't put me load one time. Then sit down in a class on my board, then police in the road and me go on with it works. You wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love. I came back to let you know. Gotta thank you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a day when your love see. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do.
So I think I'm gonna do like a middle part.
Situation in front of us, and I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need a nigga with for me to see. But as for me, you're the one. Till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time will come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers. But as for me,
and all that, so I'm gonna use this other glue. Is it? Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna use this glue. I'm not sure if they're gonna last or not, but yeah, we're just gonna use it and I have to hurry up. Okay,